Up in my mind, it's believable. Saw it at the time, it's achievable. Now I got the drive, get the key to go. Got the key to go, if I believe it though.
Yeah, being in this space, I know I gotta hold my hope down. Seeing what it takes, I gotta know that I can show how.
Questioning myself if I believe it though. No longer question if I'm really a believer though. Now you should take into account that my account can build my belief. Take into account I must account for what I really think. Being in the space I learned to see. I only ever make what every day I can't believe. I gotta go. This the only life I know. I believe it in my mind, so I know it's time to show. This the only vibe to go. I do believe it, do you believe it? I said, are you a believer till the end? When your funds are low, can you believe in it again? No longer ever questioning yourself if you believe it though. You never questioning yourself if you believe it though.
Now there's one thing about the future, you should know that you deserve it all. Landing on the moon, take a belief that's going vertical.
Being in the space I learned to see. I only ever make what every day I can't believe. I gotta go. This the only life I know. I believe it in my mind, so I know it's time to show. This the only vibe to go. I do believe it, do you believe it? I gotta go. This the only life I know. I believe it in my mind, so I know it's time to show. This the only vibe to go. I do believe it, do you believe it? Made up in my mind, it's believable. Saw it at the time, it's achievable. Now I got the drive, get the key to go. I got the key to go, if I believe it though.
Yeah,
made up in my mind, it's believable. Saw it at the time, it's achievable. Now I got the drive, get the key to go. Got the key to go, if I believe it though.
Yeah.
Now I got the drive, now I got the drive. I believe inside, I believe inside.
If you believe in yourself,
I believe inside.
I wanna see your hands up to the sky.
Family by my side,
if you
I
don't believe
believe
it,
inside. I say, now I
let's
got
get
the
together,
drive,
let's
now I
let's
got
feel
the
this
drive.
moment.
I believe
One life to
inside, I
live,
believe inside.
one life to grow.
I
Are you
believe
a
inside, I
believer?
believe
Sun
inside.
space,
With my
changing the
family by
world.
my side, I believe inside. I say,
you believe?
now I got the drive, now I got the drive.
Are you a
I
believer?
believe inside, I believe inside.
Are you a believer?
Family by my side, I believe inside. With my family by my side, I will be alright.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com. Disclaimer. Token Metrics Media LLC does not provide individually tailored investment advice and does not take a subscriber's or anyone's personal circumstance into consideration when discussing investments, nor is it registered as an investment advisor or broker-dealer in any jurisdiction. Information contained herein is not an offer or solicitation to buy, hold, or sell any security. The Token Metrics team has advised and invested in many blockchain companies. A complete list of their advisory roles and current holdings can be viewed here at tokenmetrics.com/disclosures.
All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Token Metrics live stream. Hey, Bill, how are you? Awesome. We're great. Great to have everybody on board. It's a pleasure. So shout out to Dean. Hey, great to have you here. Dean Collins, Bridget Stafford. How are you? I'm doing great. We're great. Great to have you guys here. Alice, Jonathan as well. Great show. We're very excited for what we have in store today. Okay, so let me just pull up my screen here. So in today's show is titled Dollar, Stocks, and Crypto. When to be cautious. Because we know, for anybody out there who's been following the news, over $1.7 trillion was lost in the stock market in just a few days. Some are saying it's due to coronavirus. Some are saying it's due to just quants trading, whatever you think it is. Okay, people are saying no audio. Do you guys hear us? if anybody's having any issues with audio, please.
Testing.
Yeah, because I can hear everything fine. If anybody has any issues with the audio, please tell us in the comments below, so we take care of that before. Can you guys hear me? Just please type in the chat so I know if you guys can hear me. Tiger says, greetings, Ian and crypto family. How long do you think it will take BTC to recover? We'll answer that in the show. Okay, hold on. Let me just double check a few things here just to make sure everybody can hear me fine, because we don't want to start the show with audio issues. Okay. All right. Eric says audio is good. Okay. We're all good. We're all good, guys. So it seems people are able to sort that. Okay. Let me just check a few things just to make sure everybody's getting the stream. And we're live. Okay. Anyway, that's, I guess, the perk of having a live show. Okay. All right. So back to the show. All right. So as usual, this is not investment advice. We also have the disclaimers that are scrolling at the bottom of the screen. So this is being brought to you by Token Metrics. Be sure to join. We have a 14-day free trial. Today, we also made a big update to our price predictions, our 30-day price predictions. We've made it a lot easier to understand. There's now a graph available. So actually, let me see if I can just quickly bring that up here. Didn't really plan to do that today, but why not, since we're live. So the major update is people have been complaining about the price predictions and how they're kind of tough to decipher. So now for any user, if you log in, we now have a nice graph that goes through and shows you the predicted price and the actual price. Now, in the month of January, that was definitely not our best month. We were kind of going through some technical issues, so some predictions aren't really on point because that was really a volatile month in crypto. But February, the price predictions were pretty almost on point. So over here we have the accuracies, but we think this will be a lot easier for anybody to really decipher. And for those who are curious, this is what the model is predicting for the price of Bitcoin in March, because we are in March now. So it's basically predicting Bitcoin is going to really go sideways. So we'll have our expert Bill give us his input based on looking at the technical analysis, and we'll also answer more of that in the question. But this just launched today, so if you haven't logged in yet, I definitely suggest you go and check it out. We have this for over 100 cryptocurrencies. So AI-driven machine learning price predictions for over 100 cryptocurrencies. We don't really know anybody out there in the market who has that available at this point in time. And we do have a 14-day free trial, so you don't really have anything to lose. And the Menti code for today's show, go to menti.com, that's MENTI.com, and use the code 279149. That's 279149. All right. So on the agenda, we've done shout outs. We'll do quick intros. Bill, can you kind of give us a quick intro on yourself?
Sure. I'm a technical analyst. I started doing this in 1991 as an 18-year-old intern during the first Gulf War. Since then, I've been sort of the specialist in volatile markets. .com crash, it was Morgan Stanley. 2008 and beyond was Goldman. I did some work for Charles Schwab on the retail side. And then I got my crypto cred from starting with Charlie Shrem, because in crypto, it's a price crisis every day. And now I'm here with Ian.
All right. Awesome, Bill. Awesome. Thank you for that. And then for those who don't know me by now, I'm Ian Bellina, founder of Token Metrics, also partner at 100x Advisors, which is a blockchain investment and advisory company. Prior to that, I was working 4 years in IBM in analytics, one year as a sales executive and 3 years as a technical sales engineer. So I love data and analytics. Also prior to that, I was working as an IT consultant at Deloitte Consulting. So, I mean, I love technology. Okay, all right. So a quick message again, Token Metrics affiliate program. Please join that if you haven't joined that already. We have over 200 people in the affiliate program. We'll be we'll be giving out payments this coming week. So for anybody out there who's referred anybody, you'll be getting paid this week. If you haven't yet joined, you can earn up to $480 per referral. in the program, depending on what plan they obviously join. But the highest plan is the professional plan, which pays out up to $480 per month. All right, with that being said, back to our show. Okay, so question of the day. How much is 1 month worth of food and supplies for a family of 4? So how much does it cost to feed a family of 4 for 1 month? Is it $500? Is it $1,000? Is it $3,000? Is it 1 BTC? So once again, question is, how much is 1 month worth of food and supplies for a family of 4? This is in US dollar. So $500, $1,000, $3,000, or 1 BTC. This is being done live. Go to menti.com, menti.com. Use the code 279149. That's 279149. Bill, what's your take on this question?
All right. Well, it all started when Zero Hedge reported a line of 300 people outside a Costco in Brooklyn, New York, in the freezing cold. So they were waiting outside for the store to open. Okay. And after Zero Hedge reported that, it was on. Okay. I was at Walmart last night and Costco this morning. It was orderly here in Texas. But I hear in San Francisco, there's a line to get into the Costco parking lot, not the line at the checkout, the parking lot.
Wow.
So, people are selling gold jewelry supposedly. And I suspect part of the reason for the decline in crypto is just people may have just raised fiat or crypto got dragged down with equities. So, the question really is, where do we go from now that the initial kind of sell everything has ended?
Yeah. Okay. I mean, so this was a question that also kind of took me by surprise, because I guess it also depends on what the standard of living is for that family of 4. So now, curious to see what other people say. Anybody in the comments wants to chime in? So far, we have most people saying $1,000 is how much it costs to feed a family of 4 for 1 month. Okay, very interesting, very interesting. And now, actually, I think I would also probably initially, because I already know the answer to this, but my initial response was also probably $1,000. But Bill has done the research on this. So, Bill, do you want to chime in with the?
Yeah, sure. I can add some color to the show here. So, all right. So I live in Texas. So you want locally grown meats, right? Nothing out of some other country. So we did deer sausage, a tent, right? Shelter, food shelter, an air mattress. And then things like immune system boosters and cold medicine, right? Because you can wear a nuclear biological chemical suit, but it's not going to stop something that mimics the common cold, right? So if you get like medicine, vitamins, non-perishable foods, and water, okay? So let's just assume like you can probably tell I'm like a bigger person. So imagine 4 big people like me, okay? So, and I did Walmart and Costco. It's roughly $3,000. So, and this also includes my daughter. So, if you said we are not going outside for 30 days, at all. Now you can do rice and beans. I mean, that works.
Yeah.
Okay. But, if you want to like not go crazy,